Herbal remedies for constipation. If you are looking for ways to make yourself poop on command, this herbal remedy video is for you. Sit tight and watch this natural healing video in full to pick which remedy works best for you. Constipation is a very common digestive problem that is usually caused by too much dairy consumption, lack of fibers, fluids and many others. It can come with vomiting, headache and abdominal pain. Here are 21 effective home remedies for constipation. Castor oil. Castor oil helps to stimulate bowel movement and solve digestive problems. You can use by mixing castor oil with milk. Take it at night, right before bedtime. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a strong acid solution that can help stop constipation. You should mix 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and stir well. You can drink thrice a day, preferably before a meal. You can also mix with apple juice or any other fruit juice too. Raisin. Raisin can help eliminate constipation gradually. Soak the raisins in distilled water overnight. Then, in the morning, take time to chew before swallowing. You can also try to dip few raisins in a cup of milk. Boil it for a few minutes before eating. Garlic. Garlic can help to get rid of constipation. It helps to cure indigestion too. You can consume by chewing it while raw. You can also make garlic juice or mix with vegetables. Dates. Dates are another effective treatment for constipation. You can use it by boiling some dates with milk. Allow to cool down before consuming. Relax and let your body feel the relief. Fig. Fig can also help you eliminate that troublesome constipation. You can eat fig early morning on an empty stomach. You can also boil few figs in water. Make sure to drink right before you go to bed at night. Spinach. Spinach is a great vegetable that can help stop constipation. You can extract spinach juice and drink every day. You can also make spinach soup and add to your meals. It is an effective remedy for constipation. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is another powerful vegetable that can help to prevent constipation. You can use by cooking fenugreek leaves with some onion. Fennel seed. Fennel seed is a trusted and recommended home remedy for constipation. Roast some fennel seeds. Then, take it with lukewarm water. You can consume at night. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are an effective remedy for constipation and digestive issues. You can take 4 to 5 flax seeds with water. You can also soak flax seeds in a glass of water for 4 hours. Then, drink the water afterwards. Lemon juice. Lemon juice can effectively cure constipation and irregular bowel movements. Mix lemon juice with lukewarm water and drink thrice per day. Honey. Honey is an excellent cure for constipation. However, take caution not to consume too much. You can take 1 tablespoon of honey in the morning and evening daily. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is a very good cure for constipation. You can drink a cup of aloe vera juice. You can also mix it with black pepper powder for effectiveness. Consume early in the morning before you eat anything else. Do this continuously till constipation stops. Nutmeg. Nutmeg can help with relief from constipation. You can use by mixing nutmeg powder with lime juice. You can take a teaspoon twice a day to treat constipation. Take warm water. Warm water can help you with relief from constipation. Drink warm water early in the morning and late at night. Asafoetida. Asafoetida can provide effective treatment for digestive problems. You can use it to cook food. You can also mix asafoetida with lukewarm water and ginger powder. Then drink slowly. Cabbage juice. Anyone suffering from constipation is advised to increase their fiber intake. Cabbage has a high fiber content. You can take by extracting cabbage juice and drink twice daily. Make sure to drink before you eat your meal. Consume more fiber. Fiber can help regulate the bowel movements and make it easy to pass out feces. You can consume both soluble and insoluble fibers to treat constipation. Vegetables, whole grains, beans, barley, nuts, lentils and peas are some fiber food sources. Exercise. Exercise can help to reduce the symptoms of constipation such as gas, bloating and frequent stooling. You can jog or take a walk in order to feel some relief. Take Senna Herbal Laxative. Senna is an herbal laxative that can be used to relieve constipation. Senna contains glycosides which speed up bowel movements and stimulate the nerves in the gut. However, pregnant and lactating women should not take this laxative. Probiotics. Probiotics help to treat and prevent constipation. They improve gut movements and make it easy to pass stool. Eat probiotic foods like yogurt, sauerkraut and kimchi. You can also use a probiotic supplement. Have you tried any of the remedies listed in this video before? Please drop your opinions in the comment box below. Don't forget to like this video and click the subscribe button below for more research-based home remedies and natural health tips.